Oh, there's that guy I like.
The kid?
No, the man in the green.
James McAvoy?
Yeah, forgot his name.
I don't recognise him.
You don't recognise James McAvoy?
No, should I?
Yeah, Mum. He's only been in like every movie ever.
What's he been in that I might have seen?
X-Men.
They don't watch superhero movies. They call them. What do they call them? To.
Passe.
That's right.
Oh, Fractured!
Pardon?
We went to see it in the theatre, remember? He was in it.
I've never seen a movie called Fractured.
Do you mean Split?
Oh, yeah.
Jesus, Justine. Fractured.
It was close enough. Oh, I love that movie.
Yeah, so James McAvoy's in that, so you have seen him.
Who's James McAvoy?
I was once I was watching TV and